Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to explore how to fix circular references in Excel. Imagine you're a teacher managing a spreadsheet that tracks student scores across various assignments and tests. It calculates each student's final score, including a bonus for high performers. We are going to find the total score by adding these three columns. Now, we find the bonus by calculating the total. See, our bonus calculation is based on the final score, but the final score itself includes the bonus. This creates a circular reference. To resolve this issue, we need to adjust formulas so that they no longer depend on each other. For this, we shall recalculate bonus independently. Instead of basing the bonus on the final score, we'll use only the assignment score and test score to determine if the bonus applies. This formula removes any dependency on the final score. Let's apply these formulas across all rows to see the correct results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.